In a divine narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1145, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that Allah, the Exalted, descends every night to the nearest heaven according to His infinite majesty and invites people to ask Him to fulfill their needs so that He can fulfill them. Voluntary nighttime worship proves one's sincerity towards Allah, the Exalted, as no other eyes are watching them. Offering it is a means to having an intimate conversation with Allah, the Exalted, and it is a sign of one's servanthood to Him. It has countless virtues. For example, a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 1614, advises that it is the best voluntary prayer. No one will have a rank higher on Judgment Day or in paradise than the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and this rank has been directly connected to the voluntary night prayer. This shows that those who establish the night voluntary prayer will be blessed with the highest ranks in both worlds. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 79.
And from part of the night, pray with it, i.e., recitation of the Quran as additional worship for you. It is expected that your Lord will resurrect you to a praise station.
A narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3579, advises that a Muslim is closest to Allah, the Exalted, in the last part of the night. Therefore, one can derive countless blessings if they remember Allah, the Exalted, at this time. All Muslims desire their supplications to be answered and their needs to be fulfilled. Therefore, they should strive to offer the voluntary night prayer, as a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 1770, advises that there is a special hour in every night when good supplications are always answered. Establishing the voluntary night prayer is an excellent way to prevent one from committing sins. It helps a person to stay away from pointless social gatherings, and it protects a person from many physical illnesses. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3549. One should prepare for the voluntary night prayer by not overeating or drinking, especially before bed, as it induces laziness. One should not unnecessarily tire themselves out during the day. A short nap during the day can help with this. Finally, one should avoid sins and strive to obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as the obedient find it easier to offer the voluntary night prayer. Finally, the main narration also indicates the importance of never giving up hope, as the door to repentance and success is always open. People are given opportunity every day and night to return to sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted, so that they can find peace and success in both worlds. One should appreciate the great mercy Allah, the Exalted, shows, as He is not in need of the creation, yet invites them to Himself so that they can succeed. One must take these opportunities before their time runs out, and they are left with nothing except regrets.